Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a few different versions of using a shawl. It's an absolutely beautiful color. Look at the color. It's a long shawl. It's got some beautiful pearls on it. But first and foremost, I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. You can wear it on anything. Any color. You can get away with it on any color, really. Blues, greens, yellows, black, white. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to attempt to show you a few different versions of how you can use this most beautiful shawl. Now this here is a simple version of one of the styles, and it is for every one of us to try and use. There's no difficulty involved in putting this together. So please stay with me as we put together this most beautiful look. And I'm going to attempt to give you a few different versions of how we can use this shawl. So stay with me. Okay, so what have we got today? I've got my ninja. And because my ninja's got a crisscross in the front, and I don't want to crisscross, I've put a tube scarf on top of it. And this is what I have. This absolutely beautiful scarf. Look at that. It's got pearls at the ends on both sides, actually. It's not beautiful? It's chiffon. It's absolutely gorgeous. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the middle, so that both sides are equal for the first look. And what we're going to do is it's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. And we're going to fold this over here, bring this here, and just tuck it under here. And I'm going to use a little stick pin. And now I've got this flowing. And it's a really nice flowy look. And we're going to bring this in the back. Take this one in the back. This is for the first look, okay? We're going to give it a knot in the back. And just pull the folds so it's sitting nicely. And you've got a nice flowy look. And then we're just going to give here a little. And so it's like that. Make sure this is all nice. It's beautiful. It just stays in place. And it's got that really beautiful flow about it. See that? How nicely that falls? And this here, you can pull that out, give it some more. How beautiful is that? Absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. The fall is so pretty. So this is the first look. And now on to style number 2. Now this is just easy. What I've done is I've taken the knots out, and I've got this one sitting here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to just put put that one in the back. We've got one in the front. We can put a pin if we want to make sure. See that? It's really nicely. It's sitting one. We're just gonna put one in the back. If you want to keep that in place, just use one stick pin there. And so that will keep it in place. And you've got one sitting in front. It's really pretty. And you've got the next one in the back. And you've got this really nice flow. And it is style number 2. So what I've done is I've unhooked that. And now I'm going to use this shorter, longer side. And I'm going to just wrap it here. And I'm going to use a safety pin for that. So far so good. That's absolutely beautiful. I'm so in love with the color. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a little fold, just a tiny fold, and we're going to wrap this like that. And we're just going to bring it like that. I'm going to put a pin there, and I'm going to use one of these stick pins. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now we got to make sure that the back is covered because I've got my ninja on, but you don't want the ninja showing. So all we got to make sure we've got enough fabric, we've pulled it enough so the back is covered. And there's enough fabric for everything. You've got enough coverage in the front. And what needs to be done is just pulling this portion of it, so you have, look at that, lots of folds, lots of beautiful folds. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. And the back is covered and the front is covered. This is sitting so nicely, so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, now for a variation to this, I mean, it's simple as that. Just to give it another look, all we can do is just stick that in your blouse, and we've got only one of it sitting in front, and it's absolutely beautiful. And that's it. Okay, now for the last and final look. This is a little bit of a different one. It's very simple, and it's like the most elegant look. So what I've done is I've just the short side here and the very long side over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it very corner. I'm going to put a pin here just so that I can make sure my ninja is covered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this across here. See this here? I'm going to take it over here, keep it on the corner here, making sure this is all covered. I'm going to take it and bring it over to the other side. Here, leave that there. I'm going to bring it here. See that? I brought the whole scarf on this side, making sure that this is all covered nicely. On it, I'm going to give it a little pin here. So what I'm going to do is take the same very pin, take it out, and use it to pin this. I'm making a fold. Okay, so I've made my fold, and I'm going to use this. Now this is really nice and flowing, so we'll leave that there. and we're going to bring this over. We're going to fold this over like we normally do, and we're going to bring it over here. And when I bring it over, I'm going to give it a few folds so it sits prettily here. Okay, now what you need to do is just work on getting your coverage, and all you're doing is pulling the fabric to make sure you have coverage in the back and in the front. And that's what I've done. Now, like I said, it's so easy but so elegant, and all we're doing is creating some folds so we have full coverage, and you've got that really nice flow to it in the front, and it sits there. Absolutely, it's such a royal look. It's gorgeous. You've got all the pearls sitting here. See that? That's come across from the back, and you've got it sitting and flowing. It's absolutely beautiful. Did you like that? I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful. At full coverage, and you're looking royal and elegant and sophisticated and beautiful. That's the intention, my viewers. I'm sorry, I'm just getting excited. That's the intention, my dear, just to make it look beautiful for you and for you to feel good about yourself. My dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed the different variations of this one scarf, because I love the scarf. It's absolutely gorgeous. The color is vibrant, it's beautiful, and it's making you, my sisters, look amazingly beautiful. So make sure you try it on. You have to, you must. Anyway, I hope you like what you saw. Please, if you do, hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. The more we share, the more it is better for all of us. Like I say this, and I say it often enough, if another sister gets, the call to put the hijab on because she saw a beautiful tutorial that you have shared, the blessings is huge. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, please, and press the all, so you must get all the notifications of when Hijabz&You uploads a new video. Please do. Please do stay safe. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. I'm really excited today about this one. It's fabulous. Until we meet again, stay safe. Be happy. Make every moment count. It's important. It's important for you to stay happy and be thankful for every moment. Until we meet again. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.